Over the last couple of days, we've seen a terrific display of all of the activity that's underpinning our clinical trials sector in Australia.
And so conferences like this really help to connect people together, hear from experts in Australia, but also some international voices coming together to come up with ideas and approaches to really start trying to tackle these problems and make sure that our health system's not only sustainable but delivers great health and wellbeing outcomes for Australians in this generation but also in future generations.
The focus this year has really been on artificial intelligence and data and how they can strengthen the reliability of the data we collect.
There's a lot of diversity and variation in clinical trials in terms of expertise and knowledge. Some of the special disciplines and craft groups can go to their own areas, but that diversity needs somewhere to concentrate their own attentions, and clinical trials is a difficult one because it spans lots of areas. So ACTA gives that home to people, and I think the conference reflects that. If you go out there, there's all sorts of disciplines, there's all sorts of people talking, there's lots of networking.
ACTA made a point to really include consumers and offer scholarship, and I was able to receive one of those, so that helped me immensely to be able to travel here.
I'm a consumer advocate. I'm involved in a number of consumer groups, and I get involved in this because I want to see healthcare that is patient-centred.
Yesterday there was a lot of talk about creating a learning healthcare system, which is great, and I know ACTA's done some work in the past, but I think there's more that they can do to leverage their advocacy and other activities to support the sector in moving that way, and particularly in point-of-care trials, I think.
ACTA and this conference are crucial in bringing together experts in clinical trials and registries to drive sector-wide change through collaboration, innovation, and importantly, translating registry data into clinical practice and policy.
But this is a living network of investigators, trialists, coordinators, data managers, statisticians that are all working together to improve the health outcomes of Australians.